Alright guys, so here's a little warm wave electric heater from 2000, I think. I don't know, it's somewhere around there. But this is my third heater in my collection. And as you can see, it's got 3 blades instead of 2 blades like the other 2 heaters that I have. And a story behind this heater. When I got my second heater from the same auction, and I got this heater, I noticed this heater was there. I didn't buy it because, I didn't buy it even though it looked cool. But right when I came back to the auction, this thing was still there and it was never bought. So that's kind of an insane story about this heater. But the brand is Warm Wave. There's a little Warm Wave logo right there. Sorry about the quality of the video since the light is off. But it's got the same controls. You know, you got the thermostat and fan and heat setting your and it's got an indicator light somewhere. It's probably back there. There's the back of it. It kind of looks a little bit more cooler. The only concern I have with it is that there is no safety switch at the bottom. It's got a black cord too, so yeah. So, like I said, there's no safety, and it honestly looks like it's in absolutely fantastic condition. There's no dirt on it really. Like the other 2 heaters I have, there is a little dirt on them. So I should be able to turn on the heat this time. So let's get this guy plugged up and we'll give it a run. It's got a black cord instead of a white cord, which is nice. And it's still tied up a little bit here. Alright, it's plugged up now. Let's see if it runs. It's pretty quiet. It actually was pretty good over there too. Might not be able to see the quality of the video. It actually starts to go a little slower than the other heaters that I have. There's no safety on it though. Does this heat work? Doesn't smell as much as my first heater. But this is my third heater, at least. Well, that's cool. So there it is, my third acquisition heater. Very nice, very good spin on time too. Yeah, so I'm guessing this heater is in the best condition that there is as all 3 of my heaters. So yeah, so there it is, Warm Wave mini electric heater. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next fan video. Peace.